Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Bluehost account. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the official website of Bluehost. Okay, go to the official website. All right, sorry, Bluehost. Okay, and then basically you need to select your plan. All right, once you go ahead and get started right here, right, you're gonna select your plan, whether it was basic, choice plus, online store, or pro. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna register a domain, right, which is our next step after you select the plan. And basically you're gonna select whether you want to add a new domain or you have a domain name. And basically once you choose and assign your domain name, you will need to choose and add a domain name for your site. If you already own a domain name, enter it on this screen. Okay, and if you don't already own a domain name, you can purchase one right in the sign up process, and it comes free with your new WordPress hosting account purchase. All right, and then enter your personal information, your name, constant contact, and all of the billing information and everything they want to know about you. All right, and after you follow the prompts, you will choose which hosting package you want to prepay. Shared hosting is priced at 12, 24, and 36 month term. The longer term you purchase, the lower the monthly rate will be. Okay, and then you're gonna create a password and then get started with your account. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.